right, folks, I fibbed. It's in my blood. I'm going scrapping. Let's see what we're gonna start our day out with. Ooh, bicycle. I'll take it. Come on. It's a little one. And unlike most of my find, it was in the bin. Not by it, not away from it, in it. We'll take it. So yeah, I decided something last night made me change my mind. You know what? This will have to go in on the side. It rained, and I mean it rained a lot. So what does that mean? A lot of those guys that scrap, a lot of the guys that scrap in this area don't like to go out in the rain, or don't like to go out when it's been wet. So yeah, I'm going. If I don't find much, I don't find much. That's okay, but I'm going. I have like a dozen pairs of these, but I'll take them. So I am gonna run to the scrapyard tomorrow. Not today. Tomorrow I'm off. So, and I got some more news. Within a couple of months, hopefully, within a couple of months, I'll be getting rid of this and getting into a bigger van. What is this? Oh, it's just a plant. So there's a bunch of wire. It looks shiny. Is it shiny? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can't pick up these guys. I can't pick them up. I'm allowed one at the yard, and that's it. Okay, I'll get my cutters. Come on. Yeah, I need to get back to the garage and get my good cutters. Yeah, it's a shame to leave it behind, but I can't take it. Like I say, I'm allowed one a trip at the yard. I don't tear them apart, so I'm not gonna fool with it. Yes, I have a utter mess going here. Oh, that's a heavy little joker. Really 25, 30 pounds. Have to stuff it in right next to this one. Yeah. Oh, bird. Oh, brother. There we go. Oh. All right, we'll keep looking. Can't take it all, but I'll get as much as I can. I'm gonna take the tail. Hopefully these cut through it okay. Yeah, probably not. You know what might work better? Trusty Pickin Eve. Just gotta be careful not to slice through my damn hand. There we go. Oh, it's starting to rain. All right, got that. How would that be to get off there? Let's see. I don't know if this is big enough. I don't have a proper Phillips with me. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it. All right, we'll take the heavy steel out of it. and then move on. Wheel, middle one first, right? That's as much as I'll take. And this. And these. I heard these are they brass? I doubt it, but they're coming out, so I may as well take them. Well, come on. Oh, stupid. There we go. All right, that'll do. Don't want to mess with any more of it. I don't have the proper tools, which I should have, but I don't. So we'll take what we got and move on. I shouldn't have stepped in there. Whoa, their grass stuff there. Well, that's a good heavy bit. Probably, yeah, 20, maybe 25 pounds. Steel's all about the weight. So I had a commenter, and you guys and gals should check her out. I can't think of her name off the top of my head, but her channel is called Pickin For A Livin. She's a dumpster diver. Dumpster picker. Men are divers, women are pickers. Women could be divers too, I guess, for the dumpsters. At any rate, she commented about not picking up much steel, and I completely get that, but I pick up the steel because of the current price I'm getting. I mean, I've always picked up steel. It's the most prevalent metal sitting out. So, but check out her channel, Pickin For A Livin. I'll leave a link down in the description for you. Please give her a check out. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, the bell button, all that stuff. All right, see you in a bit, maybe. A little something more right there. How about that? That's some good heavy steel. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I like picking up brass and copper too, but if this is out, I'm gonna take it. Let's see. How is this gonna go? I think in the back's best for this. Hopefully. Oh man. Hopefully. Yeah, about right there. How about that? Good enough. Still crack my windshield. Bingo. Let's look inside there. Maybe there might be something else. Styrofoam, aka napalm. Or some. Okay. Well, nope. All right. Thank you, folks. Moving on. Yeah, probably here. Right in here somewhere. Bingo. I don't really need it, but yeah. I don't want that junk. This is a pretty good bucket right here. Can always use decent buckets. Nice bale. Pretty clean. Your cooperation was duly noted. That's an old, well, it's probably not an antique, but it's an old-timey milk jug. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's got old-timey stuff in it. All right, we'll take up both pieces here. Yeah, come on. Oh, man. That, wait a minute, is that even, that is steel. Good God. This, yeah, is heavier than this. Ooh, man. Hey. Hey, you're hung up in there. I see that. Where am I gonna put this? God dang, that thing is heavy. Sit right. Don't. Come on. Look at that. Order. Truth of the matter is, them crutches might go out of the scrapyard. I'm not bothered with that, guys. That's some nice shelving, but I gotta get the garage cleaned out so I can start putting stuff like that together. There might be something in that bin. Let's take a drive by it and see. Yeah, I want to get some shelving put up, and it's just, it's an issue of time. I think that's PVC. Oh no, it's a blind. Window blind. No thanks. Yeah, just it's a matter of time. I just don't have it. I know. Fred guy, you said no. Yeah, well, it's laying here. I'll take it. You know what? I think I better put this in on the side. Because that milk jug is sitting there precarious. I can hear it dancing around in the back. So, okay, that won't hit me. Thank you, folks, for the 2 small pieces of dance speed. Yeah, I've been driving around while I'm looking and seeing all these half-ton utility vans and just daydreaming as I drive. Oh, I want one. Oh, I'd like one. Soon enough. But that's gonna do it for today. Home's right up ahead. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. It's so cool. The subs are climbing. I can't thank you guys enough for that. I can't give them enough appreciation for it. It is so cool. All right, my love to everyone, everywhere, no matter who you are. We all need that love. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful day. I was just thinking, I just got out of the van. I would settle for something like this. It's probably not quite a half-ton, but I would settle for something like that. I could fit 4 appliances in there easy. That's just an Astrovan. I have not heard good things about them, but that would be cool. It's probably got a 6-cylinder in it. All right, let's take a quick peek in the dumpster. I only see that handle. No thanks. Anything over here? Some nasty eggs or eggshells. Off wall. That looks like a coin box. All right. Oh God, does that smell? And I just put my hands in it. All right, folks. Once again, thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day.